Welcome back to the EZducate Tool Guide series. Before you start creating activities, stories, flashcards, and personalized learning experiences, the first step is creating your child's profile. In just a few minutes, you'll provide the information EZducate uses to personalize content, recommendations, and learning experiences for your child. Let's get started. From the EZducate dashboard, click Children in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you to your Profiles page, and to create a new profile, click Add Child. The first step is entering your child's basic information. We'll enter first name, last name, date of birth, and sex. For this example, we'll create a profile for Laura Campbell. Once you've entered the information, click Continue. Next is a diagnosis and support page. This information helps EZducate personalize recommendations and learning content. For this example, we'll select ASD Level 2, ADHD, Speech and Language Disorder, and Sensory Processing Disorder. We'll then enter the diagnosis date and select the child's IEP or 504 plan status. Next, we'll choose Moderate Support Needs. When you're finished, click Continue. The Interests and Preferences section helps EZducate personalize content around the things your child enjoys. For many fields, you can either select from popular suggestions or add your own by typing directly into the text field. We'll add interests such as dinosaurs, music, and building blocks. And we'll type our own interest, dolls. We'll also add favorite activities like playing outside, playing with toys, and we'll type our own activity, snacking. For preferred rewards, we'll add extra playtime and stickers. And we'll create our own reward by typing snacks and bubbles. Next, we'll select sensory and learning style preferences. For this example, we'll keep moderate sound sensitivity and moderate light sensitivity, and change texture sensitivity to high. Then we choose Visual Learner for the learning style preference. Finally, we'll add an additional note, prefers quiet places. Then click Continue. The Care Team page allows you to add information for therapists, teachers, family members, caregivers, and emergency contacts. You can complete this section now or return to it later. For this example, we'll leave it blank and click Continue. Next, we'll customize the child's EZducate experience. We'll choose a calm theme, sound effects enabled, and full animations. We can also customize the token system by enabling it, setting a daily token goal, and choosing a celebration style. For this example, we'll select stars. When you're done, click Continue. The final step is reviewing all the information you've entered. Take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. You'll also see a consent checkbox where the child's legal guardian can provide consent for EZducate to securely store and use the profile information to personalize the platform experience. This consent can be withdrawn at any time by removing the profile or deleting the account. Once you've reviewed everything, click Create Profile. Your new profile will now appear in the Children page alongside any other profiles on your account. To switch between profiles, click the profile selector at the top of the dashboard and choose the child you'd like to work with. The dashboard, activities recommendations, rewards, and progress tracking will automatically update for that child. And that's it. Your child's profile is now ready, and EZducate can begin personalizing activities, stories, learning materials specifically for them. To explore everything EZducate has to offer, visit EZducate.ai. We'll see you in the next EZducate Tool Guide.